Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, I'm going to explain you how to use ChatGPT and what you need to know to use ChatGPT. Yes, from harisystems, you are watching this video lecture. Till now, if you are not subscribed, please do subscribe and support us for such like videos. Let's begin. To ChatGPT, go to Google and open ChatGPT. Yes, introduction ChatGPT is a training model and which interacts a conversational way, and it's a dialogue engine, possibly answer as much answer your queries. Maybe admit like mistakes, challenges, corrections. It will be inappropriate answers will be corrected in future. This is a recently launched with the OpenAI tool, and if you want to access simply what you need to know, simply try ChatGPT. Click here and have an account with Microsoft or Google. There is a free account you can create it. By creating an account, you just see once you logged in by using username and password, you will be seen in this window. So here, if you are like a restaurant operator, like a restaurant management team, or you are like a foodie, you want to cook something, you don't know plan for it, you just ask ChatGPT to get it. All you need to know is just if you know how to ask a question, then the answer is ready for you. Just I'm asking ChatGPT to suggest a meal plan with like chicken for my dinner. Will it give us ChatGPT? Yes, a meal plan for chicken for dinner. It's a 2 chicken breast and a yellow sauce and a red ball pepper and a yellow onion. How to prepare these like a roasted vegetable along with the chicken. It's given the ingredients and the instructions how to cook. How super easily it is generating these things. And side dish, salad with the chicken. If you want, you can prepare it. Not only making these things, and also it is supposed to providing us a great vast of development and programming skills. If you need to know like a Python or JavaScript or any other programming language, try today and you just use ChatGPT to make a master in your area. Thank you.